But God knew that she'd grow up to share her feelings with the world. Her story, treasured journey, diary of a fat black girl.
Hey YouTube, it's your favorite fat girl back again. Okay, so I'm here in Las Vegas. I'm trying to be cute for y'all. Okay, look, I'm here in Las Vegas and I'm here to shoot the Bad Boxer movie. I got a teeny tiny role, but yay! But anyway, so I'm here and I wanted to try these magnetic lashes for the first time. So they're from Tori Belle. I just saw them online. I never tried any kind of magnetic lashes. So I got my other ones just in case, but I'm not a makeup person. I'm just a regular ass person. So if I can do it, you can do it too. So here they are, the Tori Belle, and the ones I got are called Selfie. And they kind of wispy. They a little bit more than what I normally do, but my character is a little bit more than I normally am. She extra child. Y'all gonna watch the movie when it come out? Okay, anyway, so here, hold on. Y'all should, y'all my people. All right, so shout out to Fireproof Films while I'm trying to open up this thing. This is the Magnitude, you see right there? Magnetic eyeliner. I got it. You see it? Well, oh, I'm still opening it. Shoot. Okay, so anyway, don't be judging me because my lace not right. Okay, I'm gonna do it in a minute. I just wanted to show y'all this so y'all can try it. Okay, so how I found this is, you know, like I love us. So this lady on my timeline, she's a lady because we support all things girl on this channel. So here, I got it open. So basically I just wanted to support another girl trying to do something, you know, because that's what we do, right? We love and support. That's energy, all life, all life. All right, so why y'all want to? Hey, support me too, though. Subscribe to my channel. Okay, so here's the lashes. I'm opening them up. Everything is packaged really good. So, I mean, I really don't know what I'm doing at all. Okay. All right. And like I said, I'm not a makeup person, so this eyeliner might be crooked. I'm gonna try to do it in the camera. Should I try to do it in the camera? Y'all gonna laugh at me. Oh, it's the brush is, where's that? The brush is really, really thin. Y'all see it? It's thin, that's better. I better go in this mirror. I'll be looking at my no butt because I don't have no booty. Okay, hold on. Yeah, I needed to go in here. Okay, I got my, it's a little crooked, the little eyeliner, but let's see. Let's just put the lash on and see how it do. All right, so I got this, you know, so I can be professional for the video, but I really don't be knowing what I'm doing. Let me go back in this mirror again. No, y'all need to see this part. Okay, let's see. Is it on there? Shoot. Let me do it with my hand. I don't know what I'm doing. Look, like I said, if I can do it, y'all can do it too. Oh, it just went on there. Let me get it straight. Okay then, Tori Belle. Okay then, Tori Belle. Okay then, Tori Belle. Let me do the other one. Hold on. And oh yeah, it just sat up there. Hold on. Look at that lash. Ah! Okay, hold on. Let's do another one. This time I'm gonna make the eyeliner go a little bit further. Oh, it's crooked. It's crooked. But you can't really tell. I mean, dang. All right. These lashes are pretty. I didn't think, like I said, this is more lash than I normally do. I normally do a little short. Hold on, let's see. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Like I said, if I can do it, y'all can do it. It's hard in this camera. Ah! Did y'all see that? That was like magic. Let me scoot it over. Get on there, little lad. Is it on there? Let me look in the mirror. Y'all, it is on there. Let me straighten it with these things. Y'all, I'm so excited about this because like I said, I'm not no makeup person. So, I like makeup, but I don't know what I'm doing. I just be making up stuff. I was like, oh, I don't like it. Let me do it again. I like it. Okay, so I'm going to go put on my eyeliner. All right, hold on. All right, now, I got my regular eyeliner, so I'm just gonna put a line. I'm going back over here because I can't see. I don't know how these beauty YouTubers be doing that. I guess they be looking in the mirror, child. I don't know. I'm coming, y'all. Okay. I think it look pretty good. Okay, Tori Belle. All right, tell me what you think. Have y'all ever used magnetic lashes before? Yes! Okay. All right, so thank y'all for watching. Did y'all like that? Okay, also to take them off, you put this shake it off on there. And this is like a home-based business, like, but you know when mamas start the business and then they try to recruit you, it's one of them. So I wanted to help sis, because sis was trying to help herself, because that's what we do. All right, so let me hurry up and get ready. I'll see y'all later. Thank you, YouTube. I love you. Thank you for watching Treasure Journey, Diary of a Fat Black Girl. Your spot for all things fat, all things black, and all things girl. See ya.